In this video, we'll walk you through what to expect in a Teams class breakout room. During your class, your professor may open breakout rooms. You'll see a prompt that reminds you that you will be moved to your assigned room in 10 seconds. Now we're in the breakout room. You'll notice that the layout and features of the breakout room are similar to that of the Teams class main room. You have the same options to mute and unmute yourself, turn your camera on, you can raise your hand, you can click to see who else is in the breakout room, you can share a reaction, and you can also share in a conversation. If you click the icon for chat, a chat window opens, and you can share a message in this chat that's unique to the Teams breakout room. This will appear in your Teams app. As a reminder, in the breakout room chat, this is not only visible for those in the breakout room, but also the professor, who could be still in the main room. Another feature of the breakout room is in the top left corner. This is a countdown telling you the remaining time in your breakout room. We can see here that we have a remaining time of 30 seconds left. At 30 seconds, you're also prompted that the room will close. This is a reminder to finish your conversations before the Teams app takes you back to the main room.